Guys, I want to show you guys something. I know you'll be wondering what kind of leaf is this. Have you seen this kind of leaf before? Maybe you may have come across it, but you don't know that it is edible. So this leaf is edible in my village. Should I say in my village? Yes, in my village. And the name of this leaf here in my village, we call it Igwaleji. I don't know the English name for this leaf, but we call it Igwaleji. It usually grows in this place that they plant rice. One day I will go to the farm, then I will vlog for you guys so that you guys will understand what I'm talking about. It usually grows in this place that they plant rice, on this rice plantation, beside, just at the down, especially when it is rainy season. You will see that it will be very wide like this one. You can see that this one is smaller. Let me show you something. You can see that this one is very small. So when it gets to rainy season, they are going to be very, very big, like this one that I'm showing you guys. So we call this leaf Igwaleji, but I don't know the English name for this leaf. And one thing with this leaf is that it's just like it's a replica of water leaf. Immediately you put it on fire, it has soft. So I want to pluck it because I want to use it to make soup. I will carry you guys along. I don't know I'm going to carry you guys along, but I just want to show you guys the leaf. This is the leaf. I know if you are in Lagos, you may have come across it. Lagos own the big, the manio, but you will not be able to eat it because of most of the places it usually grows. And in this place that they used to urinate, they will piss, they will shit for there. So because of that reason, you can't eat it because if you know Lagos, you know. So let me plug this leaf so I'll use it to make soup. It's quite much. I'm going to be keeping this one for my sister. She wants to fry that one, so I'm not going to use everything here because this is much, but there is work there. So I just finished washing plates. Look at all the plates I washed today. I didn't carry you guys from here to here. As you can see, so all these plates are the ones I washed today. I just finished washing them and now I'm about to cook. So join me, you guys. Let's cook something this afternoon. Everywhere is so quiet. Everybody has gone to farm. They have gone to farm, and my sister too, she went to farm. So it's just me and my other siblings at home, and I'm about to make something for them to eat when they get back home. Okay, let's do this. Let's do a tripod.
As you can see, they have plugged the leaf up.
Come on, Joe.
I'm finding the
remove your hand. Will you shut up? Tina and your group. Hello. Come on, go. This is a new video. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride favorite girl.
I'm not the bride, I'm the groom cousin. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride best girl. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride bestie. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride stepsister.
I'm not the bride, I'm the bride Facebook friend.
I'm not the bride, I'm the bride sister-in-law.
I'm not the bride, I'm the bride cousin sister. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride godmother.
I'm not the bride, I'm the bride makeup artist. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride baby girl. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride classmate. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride sis. I'm the bride!